Do you know how to avoid getting the worst seat while booking airline tickets? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and traveling can be stressful. The airlines seem to be cramming in more seats closer and closer together, and while you can't always do much to stop annoying neighbors on a plane, you can do some research to make sure that you're not stuck in a horrible seat. There are apps and websites where you can actually look up specific flights and particular aircraft to see how the different seats on different rows rate. My favorites are the website Seat Guru and the app Seat Alerts. With the website Seat Guru, you can search a specific airline's aircraft and take a look at how other travelers have rated the seats. You'll see on the Spirit Airlines Airbus 319, every single seat is the color yellow, except for the last row, which is, red. When you hover your mouse over each of the yellow seats, you'll learn that none of them recline. This Delta Bombardier CRJ 900 is a smaller regional aircraft, but still has a lot of red seats. You'll see problems like 5B, which has extra legroom that you may not even want because it jets into the aisle. It gets bumped by fellow passengers and flight attendants alike. The armrest also does not move because the tray table is stowed in it, making the seats slightly smaller. Seats 10A, well, they're missing a window, and also 10D is missing a window, and the seats behind them, 11A and D, are not only missing windows, but they can't recline because of the exit row behind them. With the Seat Alerts app, you can keep an eye on a seat you want after checking reviews over at Seat Guru, or just look to see if there are any reviews. Here's how to do it. Go to the Seat Alerts app and tap Create Seat Alert to plug in the flight you're looking at. Fill in the departing and arriving airport, the date, the airline, the flight number, and if you have a specific cabin preference. Then search, and you're going to see seats that are currently assigned and the ones that are available, some that are blocked. If you have your eye on, let's say, an aisle seat that someone's already sitting in, you can get an alert for any aisle seat. You can get the first alert free, and after that, you're going to need to pay 99 cents, which is still cheaper than paying to upgrade your seat, right? For more tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter.